Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE watch unboxing review. This time, let's have a look at what I have bring you today. First, this is our guarantee card, and then yes, this is our model today, and this is our latest design NF9197. Let's have a look at the watch. Yes, here comes the watch. So nice. I like this green one, and the green color is very popular recent years. Do you remember last times I have introduced another model, but actually they are the twins. Yes, it's this one. They are the same model but with different watch band. The last time I have show you is the stainless steel watch band, and this time I will show you is the genuine leather strap. The top grade, very high quality leather strap. Okay, I will show you all the details now. First of all, let's have a look at the screen here. These are the data about this model, and we can see there are 4 small windows on the dial. First, this window is the second window, and this window is the time display window, and also this is the date window, and the last one is the week window. And this model we got 4 modes. It's a multifunctional and analog chronography watch. We can see the menu book. There are 4 product functional modes: model mode, alarm mode, stopwatch mode, and time setting mode. Let me show you. Press this button, we call button B, and this we call button A, this button D. Press button A, we can turn on the LED light. Wow, so cool, isn't it? And press button button B, this one. Now here, change the AL. Sorry, I will try to move these hints away so we can see clear this window. Okay, now we can see this window here. AL means we are in the learn across mode, and use other buttons combined can set different alarm. So press again. Now the ST here means we are in the stopwatch mode, and we can set different stopwatch. And now here the second window is flashing, means we are in the time setting mode. And press again. Okay, welcome back to the area in the normal mode, and it means the normal time display mode. If you want to know how to set every single functions, the next window I will show you and teach you how to set every single functions. Okay, finish the Windows instructions. Now let's have a see this case. This case we have 2 layers because this is a dual movement. We got 2 movements. So the case is little fitness. The finish is little large, and the 2 layers. And the back shows we can see it's combined the silver color and the green color. And this side there are 3 buttons. and we can see this 2 button is for setting the functions, and this crown, bigger crown, is for adjust the times and the other functions. And then it's our general leather strap, and in both two sides we can see our logo in these two sides. And very good and very fine stitching here, with also the green color. And now on the back sides we can see the models for this case, NF9197. And we can see here is the general leather words on the leather. Okay, actually this model we got 4 colors about the general leather strap. I will show you them all. Hello, 4 color, it's here. Just now I have shown you this green one. This green one, since we have put it on sale on our store, there is a very good sales and very hot sales in our store, this model, the popular green one. And then it's the blue one. Do you remember last time I've shown you this blue one? Yes, actually they are very similar. These two blue colors, which is your favorite? Okay, come back to this leather one, leather strap one. The straps, we have color construct windows on the dial, and also turn on this LED light. It's very cool. And press this button to change to different modes. In this case, we use 2 color combined, the rose gold and the blue one. And the button we use rose gold, and the crown is the blue color, the same color as the back show. And also the strap is the navy color. Very soft, the high quality, soft and very nice, the leather. How do you think this color? Okay, the next one is the deep brown color. And we can see the dial. We can see 3 colors, the rose gold, the black dial, and this is silver window on the 9 o'clock position. And the 2-layer case are both black color. The buttons are all black too. Okay, here it's the leather. And the buckle we use is the salty stainless steel buckle. Yes, with very high quality and loose, high quality texture. Okay, the last color is the black one. The stitching about the strap is black and white. How do you think? Okay, this is all for this model. Which one do you like the best? Welcome to our store to buy your favorite color. This is all for today. See you next time. Bye.